How much is the fuel, Crystal?
$2.47.
Where's the next town after this?
Too far away.
We did a bit of due diligence and drive around, and there's one of these do-it-yourself ones. 20 cents a litre cheaper here in Thargomindah, so we've come and downloaded the app and done that. It's a fair bit of money we'll save filling up the car with a 120 odd litre tank. So. We've stopped in at Pelican Park in Thargomindah to have some lunch and check out some of the tourist attractions in town while we pass through to Yowah. And yeah, check this out, Pelican Park. No one else is here. We're going to set up down here, cook some lunch right next to the creek.
At Pelican Point. Thargomindah jail's done. It's just the 3 cells and looks like just a guardhouse next to it. It's raining now, so I've got to make the dash back to the car. Yeah, that's cool. Another great spot to have lunch would be at the Powerhouse. It's just on the entrance into Thargomindah. Sorry, it's raining. Yes, it's the first town in Queensland, maybe Australia, to have power. There's 2 ways into Yowah. You can either, from Thargomindah, you can either take the dirt road like we are, which is about 30 kilometres, or you can travel just before Eulo. Just before Eulo, you can take the bitumen road. So it's up to you, but it is a bit longer. Little bits, a couple of spots are a little bit rough, but otherwise it's a good road to travel on.
Well, at least it's raining, so it's not dusty. Otherwise we'd have dust going everywhere.
Look at the step! Oh no!
All this to get to Yowah.
All this to... See that?
Come on over the fence, I'll put the kids in.
I ain't gonna get the step.
You're not.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been
We're just in the hot Artesian spa, which is in Yowah. It works on a donation honesty system, so it's $5 for each adult, and anyone under the age of 16 is free. So this hot pool right now that we're in is 40 degrees, and the second pool actually connects from a tube, and it goes to that second pool over here. And it is the perfect temperature if you're just wanting to relax and not be in the heat. Miles really likes it for his muscles. The muscles that he has. So we've got a little thermometer here that's here. We show them? Is a watermelon. A watermelon is 40 degrees. They've got changing rooms, toilets, and they have showers as well, which are just to the back here. But yeah, all the hot water just comes directly from the Artesian. Whew, I'm getting hot, so I popped out for a bit. We've got a water bubbler, toilet. And here are the showers. Let's have a look. Woo. Well, there we go. So you got hot. I'm going to guess that's a cold one. And up here. Alright. Well, it certainly warmed us up from our drive because the drive-in was really slippery. We lost traction a couple of times because we came on the dirt road from Thargomindah. What can you do? We're going to go over to the free camp now, or the donation camp, sorry. Probably set up, and that's where we'll be for the night. Hopefully Miles can fix our diesel heater, because last night it stopped working.
Don't come here.
I think it's probably the dodgiest place we've ever seen.
It's not good. Makes you close, or...
The information centre's closed. And what's the time of day? It is a Friday and it's only 20 to 4. To the Yowah donation camp. You've got the bigger side where we are, which has one toilet and shower, so if you use those facilities, leave a donation, and where the dump point is as well. And then we've got the other side of the road, slightly smaller, but there's some undercover seating and a bin. We chose not to go over that side last night just because there was someone over there with a generator, and we thought we'll head over to the other side, but it's a little bit more quieter. For Yowah. We've just finished off in the Fossicking area and heading off towards Cunnamulla now. So we're actually going to hit the bitumen road and probably have a heap of dirt flying everywhere.
muddy. Muddy shoes.
We've just pulled into Eulo. So just on the entrance into Eulo from Yowah is the big free camp, and there's a bit of a weir just here, and quite a few people up here, just down here, with their caravans just on the bank of the water there, and they're fishing. So apparently it's a good fishing spot.
They're good chips.
Make sure you check them out. What was it, $10? I think it's $10 for a large, and then we paid for gravy. But look at that seasoning. The pub here, there's heaps of food on offer, really good hearty country meals. There's a nice outdoor area, which is where we are now. It's like, it's kind of like an open stable, but I guess it's where, you know, they would have held dances and where they would ride the horses in and tie them up. So it's pretty cool. There's not much to do here. There's not like very many houses. The facilities are really clean. There is powered and unpowered camping here as well at the pub. But to be honest, I'll be going to that free camp. It looks great, right on the river, fishing. In summer months you could probably swim in there as well. Yeah, we're just driving through, but I thought we'd stop for lunch, and no, it's a good little spot. Wasn't walking that one.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone